Welcome to another video on 510 Insight. I found some incredibly dumb stuff that people said online, and that's what this is going to focus on. There's a post on Facebook that said this country would be better off without Republicans. No, it wouldn't. And then here's one. Democrats have turned towards socialism, which only gives off an illusion of freedom. There's no actual freedom. Let me go somewhere else. Real freedom. True freedom does not come from socialism, and that's what the Democrats have turned towards. But then someone made a dumb comment of how America is not a country. I'm going to have to disagree with that. America is a country. The continent is called North America. The country is commonly referred to as America. And then there's this. This stuff needs to be put under control. It's time for it's time for this country to unite and stop fighting one another to do the right thing. This just goes to show history is being actively ignored. And we all know who's responsible for that. People refuse to learn from it these days. And a lot of it's they're attempting to cut out from from the curriculum. There are teachers that are choosing to follow that agenda that are getting fired left and right for a reason. And we got federal judges blocking the purging of voter rolls of illegal immigrants, who, by the way, happen to be criminals in their own countries. So they cross over into the U.S. knowing that there are politicians that will shield them while they commit crimes here in America. And not only that, but they also are taking our jobs. So yeah, this is why the Republicans are fighting so hard to keep Democrats from ever taking a position of power again. It's why our current president decided to basically limit the power Democrats have. And then a Democrat won an election to become governor of Virginia. And now Virginia is putting out a bunch of laws that don't make any real sense. Now there's one law that's been in Virginia for years, requiring the requirement of a concealed carry license. And then there's other laws that contradict it, saying you cannot contradict your right to bear arms. One of them is you cannot have any weapon visible, or the police can arrest you or stop you and question you about it, even if it's holstered. And that it's just a bunch of laws that can contradict each other when it comes to weapons. So there's now someone in the federal government fighting that. Well, I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that. Go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next video.